At number 2, we have the Shark S8001. This is our runner-up pick and excels in cleaning performance with its dual rotating pads, delivering over 150 scrubs per minute for effective stain removal. Its standout feature is the Steam Blaster, which provides a concentrated burst of steam to tackle stubborn spots effortlessly. Designed for versatility, it offers 3 steam modes: light, normal, and deep, allowing users to adjust settings based on cleaning needs. This makes it suitable for various sealed hard floors, including hardwood, tile, and marble. The mop is chemical-free, sanitizing surfaces by removing 99.9% of bacteria using only water. Its ease of use is enhanced by LED headlights that illuminate hidden debris and a swiveling mop head for maneuverability around furniture. The microfiber pads are reusable and machine washable, adding convenience and sustainability. With quick heat-up time and consistent steam distribution, the S8001 provides a powerful and efficient cleaning experience while being gentle on floors.